Assalamu alaikum KG2, it's Wisha Janjua with a new lesson, and it's lesson number 5 of Oxford Progressive English. Let's start. Unit number 1, lesson number 5, and the topic is sentences using is it. You should know this, that is it comes in the beginning when we have to ask a question from someone. Okay. Exercise A, answer the questions, circle and trace. First one is example given for you. You can see that there is an apple in the picture, and the question is it an apple? And they have circled yes, because it's an apple. So you can see that in front of each question there is written YES yes and NO no. You will circle yes if the question is according the picture, and if it isn't according the picture, you will circle no for negative. Okay. Number two question is it an orange? You should check in the picture. It's not an orange, right? So you have to circle no. Question number 3 is it a mat? So you should check the picture. Is it a mat? If it isn't, so you have to circle no again. Okay. You have to do the rest of the question answers by yourself. And now come on exercise B. Ask and answer the questions about the pictures in lesson number 2 like this. Is it a cat? No, it isn't. Is it a hat? Yes, it is. You can see in the example that there is a hat. So first they call it cat, but it isn't cat. So you will say no, it isn't. Okay. It was the lesson number 2, and you can see a picture over there, and a lot of objects are there. Okay, now it's time for mothers. Mother will ask the question from the kids, and kids will answer according the picture. For example, mother will ask, is it a book? And the kid will answer, yes, it is. And what else? All right. Mother will ask, is it a dog? And the kid will answer, no, it isn't. Okay. Be careful that he or she has to use it is and it isn't for negative and positive accordingly. Alright, now it's time for homework. Complete the exercise A of lesson number 5 and send the picture of your work to your English teacher. Thank you.